na tumambay eh.
Ikaw pa nagpapaligo niyan?
Sis, kinakabahan na ako.
To give you a little backstory, paragliding has been on my bucket list for quite some time. And after a couple of years, I could finally tick it off on my 25th birthday. Hi, this is Sel, and you're watching the adventure that almost didn't happen. Parking can be a little harder uphill as space is very limited. The flying site is just what it is. It's at the top of Mount Riwata, nothing more, nothing less. So bring your valuables. Pilots offering paragliding services are registered professionals with several years of flying experience. Although for emergency purposes, it's good to be aware of the site's accessibility to hospitals or clinics. Paragliding rates are a little expensive, but you could save some on weekday flights. Also, watch out for or inquire about their promos to save some more. Regardless, a reservation fee is required per flying passenger. And take note of the cancellation policy before actually booking. In terms of FlyXtreme service, I had no major comment except that I wish there was a briefing about the activity, especially since paragliding is an extreme sport, at least from the point of view of an inexperienced passenger.
Nakakabigat ba ito? Wala namang bigat. Hindi, wala namang bigat to. Walang briefing.
Nevertheless, I would still consider booking from the same team in the future. Lastly, you should know that paragliding is dependent on good weather conditions, so manage your expectations.
Wala namang hangin. Feeling ko
I really just bought some.
Yun na hinati hangin.
It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the time.
Have you ever thought about all the things you could have done and all the things you could have had if only everything went according to your will?
Wake up, I'm ready to go. Yeah, feeling so good in control. Yeah, think of the places I could be. So I give up and watch TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room.
Truth is, there is no such thing as sky's the limit. In reality, there would always be constraints, hindrances, or challenges. The road isn't always gonna be smooth.
Oh my God!
And while it is true that most of our dreams can be achieved if we're brave enough to reach them, courage is not the only recipe. There are various internal and external factors that could either make or break us along the way. But no matter how hard it would be or how long it would take, let us all hold on to our dreams. Because when everything finally aligns, it will all be worth it.